Bite your tongue or hold your tongue. Real conversation example. The Andersons are coming over tonight. Seriously? Didn't we just have them over last week? No, and you better bite your tongue about politics. You know how it riles up Randy. Okay, I won't say anything. Another real conversation example. I can't believe we lost. It's all the ref's fault. Half those fouls were crap and everyone knows it. Well, there's nothing we can do about it now. I'm going to go give that ref a piece of my mind. You better bite your tongue, man, or you'll get kicked off the team. Ugh, you're right. It's not worth it.